In Russia, the Wialon partner Tetron developed Transfort, a single platform for organizing road transportation. This Wialon-based solution joins together all the information for customers, contractors, dispatchers, and drivers. Now, transportation orders can be placed and searched for in one space. The automated data exchange and integration with an accounting system help cut down paperwork. The workload for dispatchers has been reduced by 40%. Additionally, the platform offers a database of reliable partners. A tendering system allowed reducing tariffs by 35%. With this solution, the client saves up to 10% on transportation. Transfort provides full control over the transportation process and checks data coming from monitoring systems. This enhances the transparency and quality of the work underway.